In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buffer time to your calendar with Calendly. This is a handy feature that ensures there's a little breathing room between your meetings, helping you stay fresh and focused throughout your day. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Calendly's website. If you're not familiar with it, Calendly is a popular tool used for online appointment scheduling. It's free to use and incredibly user-friendly. Open your browser and type in calendly.com to get started. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see the Login button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on that and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one. Luckily, it's a quick and straightforward process, and you can easily link your Calendly account to your Google Office 365 or another email provider, which makes scheduling even more seamless. Now that you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Calendly homepage. This is your dashboard, the command center if you will, where you can access all your scheduling activities and settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time visiting. After you've gotten your bearings, the next thing you need to do is click on an existing event that you want to adjust the timing for. This could be anything from a one-on-one meeting to a group event that you have already set up. If you haven't set up any events yet, you might want to do that first. With your event open, look for the availability section. This is where you fine-tune when people can book time with you. Click on Availability, and from here, you can adjust the settings to fit your needs. In the Availability menu, you'll see an option for buffer time. Buffer time allows you to insert a designated amount of downtime before and after your scheduled events. It's perfect for catching your breath between meetings, grabbing a cup of coffee, or jotting down some notes before you move on to the next item on your agenda. To set up your buffer time, simply click on the option and choose how much time you need. You might go for a short 5-minute breather or something more substantial, depending on your preference and the nature of your meetings. And that's it. You've now successfully added buffer time to your events in Calendly. This small adjustment can make a huge difference in your productivity and overall workflow. So take advantage of this great feature and make your schedule work better for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more scheduling tips and tricks.